It's men.
Are you serious?
Oh my God. Anytime I'm high, my snoring no be here. It's very, very high.
It's the men that snores the most because at times some of them feel big.
You're kidding, right?
So it's the men that snores the most.
Don't they get sex?
That's a funny question. But the truth is that men that has big tummy snores a lot.
Hey!
Why is his face like that?
Network. Nobody else. Hey! When you see a lady they snore, it be like caterpillar.
Hey, please.
I like frog.
I think the fat men.
Why?
That's a very funny question. Hey! To me, I think the women.
Lie.
It's men, no.
Hey Joe, who is this?
Due to their intake of some substances in their body,
Are you kidding me right now, Ego?
It's the men.
the men now, of course. The men, they snore the most, like very well. Women don't really snore now. We do our own in a stylish way.
Father, why they talk like this now?
All these big, fat ladies.
No.
You know, when they shut down, they just begin to snore and snore. But for guys, I have guys too that snore.
Oh my God.
I think it's the men.
Why?
Mostly because they are always almost tired from work.
Which kind of talk be that self?
I would say men due to stress.
Again.
It's men.
Chai!
Men.
It's men.